What is up guys, we're on day 2. It is sunny as all hell outside. See, my camera got overexposed. We're gonna be heading down to the beach there now, and as you can see, mine's still focusing. But Chloe's here, the rest of the family's outside, and we're gonna be getting some pictures, videos, and we're gonna see what we can do. When you guys rate the outfit, nice shirt. But yeah, we'll see how today goes. And yeah, let's get it. We back at the house. Me and the mother are heading back down to the beach.
What up peeps, mofos, on the hincha, West Cork, West Atlantic Way.
No, did you need, there's no Coke there, is there? So we can bring down.
I'm gonna have to get it out from the shop.
I honestly thought they were raving this for a second, I swear to God. That's what bottles are raving now.
That's the to get there doing stuff.
Crab and a fish.
What did you catch, Kaylee?
A crab and a fish.
She caught a crab and a fish.
And a fish.
A baby fish.
Did it have?
Must be slow punching that out, like. Must be slow punching.
What is it, guys? A lot has happened since a while ago. Me and Megan are here. I need to get another. Yeah. We're going to get the dinghy. There's Megan.
Hi.
I'm going to take a jumper with me. Just in case. Who else doesn't have a jumper? I'll bring one for Dad just in case he needs
I'll
one.
hold the camera.
Okay. Yeah. No, I do trust you. Okay. So we're gonna go get the jumpers. One, this that'll wear. That'll wear one. Megan. Kaylee has my merch. We're gonna get some shots. We're gonna get shots. Probably you wearing it, Kaylee wearing it, me wearing it, Meg or Mom, Dad if they'll wear it. I don't know.
You're sunburned.
I know. Can you move? So yeah. Oh my finger.
Hi. I'm Megan and you know me. I feel like one of these people that I know are gonna see this. Okay, I'm trying to fix the camera. I know someone I know in real life is gonna see this, so hi. Okay. Very smooth. I'm recording. Whoa! Megan, you're gonna have to stop him down there. Will I stop you? Wait for him to send you. He's gone into the water anyway too.
It's gonna stop. I want to hit the rocks.
Hit rocks, I will happen.
He's going.
Look at it trying to paddle to the side. I would have run, but I can't.
Megan, get the rope.
Get the rope, Megan. You want to go?
You're meant to follow the camera. Pull in.
I'm fucking sore.
Kill. Is that them up there?
When
you get down with the pond, you get shallow, you know. Watch it.
What is up guys, True Gamer here, and yeah, this is the end of that vlog. This is current day, me editing this, as you guys can see right here. Currently editing this and I realized that there was no outro to this vlog. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick outro. Thank you guys for the love and support on the last video. You guys have been awesome. I appreciate it. If we can smash maybe 10 likes on this video, that would be awesome. You guys have been doing so great with the support, so I do really appreciate that. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give me some feedback in the comments. Let us know the stuff that you want to see us do more if you guys are enjoying this holiday series, and there's still a couple more videos to come out, so be ready for those. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in another video, so please do drop a like, subscribe, stay true, and peace.